Hi, watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh. Before you, today the registration of the MC employees under the Mukhyamantri Sehat Bima Yojana has initiated over here at the Municipal Corporation Zone D office. We are having with us Mayor Principal Inderjeet Kaur. Welcome ma'am to The Sovera first of all.
Thank you so much.
Please ma'am, first of all, brief about this registration camp.
Already the Mukhyamantri, that Sehat Bima Yojana, under which I think the diseases covering up amount to 10 lakh rupees, those are already, those cards are already being formed and implemented in different hospitals. Especially for the government employees, we have initiated a camp in all the four zones, not only in Zone D, but Zone A, B, and C also, where the employees of the corporation, they people can go over there from 9 to 5 and get their cards made up, and after this they can avail this service of getting free. I can say. Free of cost diseases can be treated, and they can get this treatment in different hospitals which are covered under this scheme.
Is there any particular target about how many employees will be registered, or what is the target number?
All the employees, especially grade 4 employees, those who really actually need this facility, they'll be covered up, and it is open for all the employees. Just some of the guidelines or some of the exceptions which are applied upon it, they except those, everybody is covered under this scheme, and we are hopeful that it will prove useful also, and the people are going to get help from it.
What other schemes you are going to cover under these camps?
Our Punjab government, Aam Aadmi Party government, under the guidance of Sardar Bhagwant Singh Mann and our national convener Arvind Kejriwal ji, they have launched a lot of schemes which are just meant for the common public. Under this, you can say like Tirath Yatra Yojana, under which the persons of 50 or above 50, they are, we can say, have a religious visit to the different places free of cost. Even we'll organize camps for that also. And Mamati and Satkar Yojana, under which we know that they are being given some amount, some respected amount in their accounts. That also scheme we will cover under in later stages.
Recently, municipal corporation they initiated the war room to tackle the grievances of the people under the during this monsoon season. And yesterday we have witnessed intense water logging in different area. What was the response time? How the municipal corporation they ensured that water resided and we can say immediately after the rain stopped?
It was already, this war room already showed us the peculiar areas, or the areas where water logging was logging has been done in a large amount. So in those areas particularly, more man force has been implemented so that we can cover up with the situations. And I feel that you can see in Ludhiana whole city that today morning, after such a heavy rain, we were just relaxed on all the roads.
Ma'am, as a civic sense is one of the major issues that we are facing over here in Ludhiana. People they are not cooperating with the staff, or we can say they are also dumping the waste on the road, and there are several other issues. So, what are your suggestions to the residents?
You might have watched that we are there on toes in the early morning, just checking whether the cleaning process or is going on in a proper way or not. Today also, when we were there in 67 number ward, we witnessed you can say road jali on the side by, which was completely choked by stones, bricks and all. So how would water move from that? Right. So we got it emptied up, and under it there was a frame of that road jali and all. So even on particular places, we have witnessed that people, they come from their homes and they just throw the garbage on the in the open also. Those were all dumping points were also cleaned up. So it's a humble request to all the Ludhianvis that do come together. We from the point of view of administration and from the point of view of government, are taking strict actions also, and doing our efforts to just make Ludhiana much cleaner and better. But it is your coordination, your corporation cooperation, we can say, which will help us to remove such kind of hurdles. So it's a humble request: do not choke the gutters, or do not choke the road jalis and all. They are meant for removal of rainwater. So once it is choked, definitely the water is going to be stagnant over there. So get it cleared up. Give us a missed call if you face that nearby anything for the you can say removal of the water sources that is choked. And even open dumping, that is completely prohibited, and even instructions have been issued to the employees that there will be a chillaning process. Anybody found throwing in open their garbage or something like that will be challaned very heavily.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So she is Mayor Principal Inderjit Kaur, where she briefed about the registration camp being initiated for the MC employees under the Mukhyamantri Sehat Bima Yojana. On the other side, she also briefed about the war room established for the monsoon season, and she has made appeal to the residents that they should cooperate with the MC employees and they should help in making Ludhiana cleaner and greener. We will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Dosmera for more updates. Samarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.